Let me show you my tropical take on a mint mojito using mangoes. First, let's talk basil seeds. Basil seeds are a superfood in the East, which I feel the West is yet to catch on to. They're very similar to chia seeds, except they swell quicker in water and they pack in more fibre, which is very good for the digestive system. It's also believed in this part of the world that they cool the body temperature down, which is why they are so widely used in refreshing drinks.
1 teaspoon of basil seeds is plenty for 3 mojitos. Soak the seeds in enough water and watch them swell and double in size within minutes. They're ready once they've formed a thick gel layer. Leave the seeds to do their thing while we start mixing the mojito.
Now I'm going to decorate the rim of this glass with some chili powder to make it look extra tropical. I know it sounds crazy, but chili powder, mint and mango go so well together. And you're not really going to drink the chili powder, it's just for decoration on the rim of the glass.
Cut a wedge of lemon and rub along the rim of the mojito glass to get it wet and sticky. Carefully dab the rim into some chili powder, making sure the chili dust doesn't fly about, because this stuff is lethal.
Is that cool or what? Now I'm going to set this aside and get on with muddling the mocktail in a separate glass. First I'm going to slice the lime into wedges.
Cut a whole lime into quarters and then half the quarters and chuck it into your muddling glass. This mix is good for 3 mojitos.
Next we're going to chop up some mango.
You can puree the mango in a blender or do it by hand like this, by scoring the flesh in a crisscross pattern. And then scoop the small cubes out with a spoon in with the lime.
Now I'm just going to muddle the lime and the mango.
Don't muddle it too much because that will release bitterness from the lime. About 4 squashes are enough. If you don't have a muddler, use a utensil with a flat bottom, like a honey dipper.
Now I'm going to add about 10 fresh mint leaves to this mix.
Muddle in the fresh mint without squashing the lime too much. Then pour in 1/3 of the mix into the serving glass.
Now it's time for some of the basil seeds.
2 teaspoons is plenty, but feel free to use less if you're new to basil seeds. Then throw in chunks of ice.
Now I'm just topping it up with some 7-Up. Now to finish it off, just a sprig of mint. Give the mint leaves a little whack to just wake up the aroma.
And that's my version of a mango mint mojito.